Well, hi guys and girls, Emma again. Welcome back to the spare room. Today's been a pretty major, well this weekend I guess has been pretty full on, but today's been a major workshop cleanup. I've been machining cast iron all day yesterday for these little tyres on these wheels. Have a look, they've turned out pretty nice. I'm really pleased with them. The two little engines are starting to look pretty good. Next bit I guess is probably get these boilers mounted up on here. So surround on the front and some foot plates and engines and things. They're just little oscillators on the back here, so they're pretty basic, but it's been a learning curve. And I've got two rolling chassis, so I'm really pleased with that. Anyway, because of that, the whole workshop got pretty filthy because there's a fair bit of swarf there. That's what was left. It's about probably a kilo there, I guess, of cast iron. Anyway, it makes a mess, and I'm black, and I might get clean again before work tomorrow, I hope. So it's clean-up day, but I just thought I'd update things. There's not a lot to really see. I've got to shorten the belt on my lathe. That's one job that we probably need to do. So there's been a couple of updates in the tool making competition. That's kind of what I wanted to say. One for Greens and Machines. I think it's Greens and Machines. Rather than Green Sand Machines. Great little channel. Not real active, but he has entered in the competition and he's got a good video, so just go and check him out. It's well worth the trouble. They're making a couple of little bicycle spanners with odd ends, so the bar gets higher and higher with every video. The other one is from Malc of Lincoln, my mate in Lincoln in the UK. He's a great guy and he's gone and to a fair bit of effort to make a good video. It's pretty watchable, it's good fun. Makes a chipping hammer out of a piece of RHS. Yeah, you heard that, he made a chipping hammer out of a piece of RHS. So that kind of eliminates any excuses that you might have. And it's a good video and it's watchable, and it's going to be probably one of the shortlist at this stage. So go and have a look at that. It's a good fun video. He's got a good channel. It's well worth going and checking it out. He uploads pretty recent, pretty regularly, and always got something fun that he's making. So I'm going back to the States this year to the Summer Bash in June. Anyone knows something cool in California to go and see that you might be interested in, or anyone else might be interested in, or something we can get some video of, or something that you just learn about, drop us a line, let us know, because looking for stuff. I'm only going to California, I'm not travelling much at all, and I won't be going much out of LA, to be honest, but we'll see how we go. If anyone sort of got any ideas, drop us a line. I want to go and see the Craftsmanship Museum again and hopefully get some better video. And there's a vintage sawmill up above, I think up above LA there somewhere, that has an open day that weekend that I really want to see too, so I'm trying to get to that. But anyone else got any ideas, let me know. This job is done, so I just want to say check out the couple of videos in the tool making competition. Start thinking about it, get your entries in. There's starting to come a bit now, and I know that there's 2 or 3 that are sort of in the pipeline that are going to lift the bar a little bit more even, so get onto it. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Check out my Patreon, and more soon, guys and girls.